Good morning, class. Today we'll be talking about how we can show addition and subtraction with me, Miss Leskewich. Addition and subtraction. What do they mean? On today's agenda, we'll be talking about what you know about these two signs, what sign means the number's getting bigger, and what sign means the number's getting smaller, along with any questions that come about this lesson. What can addition and subtraction look like? Short video on addition and subtraction, how we see it in our everyday lives. Please click the following link and watch the entire video. Addition and subtraction. Addition can be shown in many different ways. No matter what is being shown, if there is a plus sign, we are getting bigger. A plus sign looks like the sign on your right. And then we've got some examples of what addition can look like. So you've got 1 plus 1 equals 2 in the cups, and then you've got 2 plus 1 equals 3. Subtraction, you're always getting smaller. Subtraction, you will always end up with less than what you first had. With the diagrams on your right, you'll see 5 minus 3. So you have 5 to begin with, and you're taking away 3, which means you're left with 2. And then you also have 4 minus 3, so you start with 4, taking away 3, and you're left with 1. Addition or subtraction. Down below, you will see an equation with 3 stars, and then a plus sign with 2 other stars on the other side. Is this addition, getting bigger, or subtraction, getting smaller? What numbers are being shown from the stars on your left? Addition or subtraction. What sign do you see used here? Is our end number getting bigger or is it getting smaller? Addition or subtraction. When 0 is being used in an equation, is it doing anything to that number? Does our number stay the same or is it different? 4 plus 0 equals 0. And then we'll talk about the rule of 0. Try and learn. This is going to be in-class partner learning. Turn to your table buddies and ask what can addition and subtraction look like in everyday life. What are some ways you can think you see addition in your everyday life, and what are ways you can see subtraction in your everyday life? Please talk about it with your table buddies. Dance break! Test what we know. We will get up now and watch this video while testing our knowledge on what we have learned throughout this class. And that's it. And we're done for the day. Thank you for learning with me.